Hey, what's up? It's that Metal Guy 1983, and tonight I'm coming to you with an unboxing of a company that I've been dying to get my hands on some more from them. I currently have the Oud Wood. This is Nicholas Beardworks. The owner's name is Alex, and as we all know, he's got those signature dip bottles that everyone wants to get their hands on. Many guys will tell you that this is got, if not the top feeling beard, pretty darn close for what they're used to. And I've got some packing peanuts in here. I just decided to rip from the top. So, look from there. Oh, that fell out of the packaging. Oh, that's cool. Oh no. I'm gonna go down and grab that real quick. Make sure the kitty doesn't grab that piece of styrofoam packing peanut. Because knowing them, they probably try to jump right in on that. Alright, so let's see. Packing slip. There we go. Alright. Look at that, guys. Just look at that awesome bottle. Oh my goodness gracious. This is Legatus. Not sure if you guys can see that. But this is a very unique scent. It's got things like pineapple, birchwood, and all these other combined things. His ones that kind of have their own original names are the ones that are going to be kind of his own unique thing. So make sure to look for that. Nicholas Beardworks was established on Amazon for a long time. He's been doing this off and on for quite a while. Holy cow. Feel some samples in here. Holy shnikes. Holy crap. Yes. Well, there's a lot to choose from in there. And I'll be giving that a shot and looking that over. This is the Legatus balm. And I'll kind of go over what's these for you real quick. Lanolin, jojoba oil, argan oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, sea buckthorn, rose hip, pumpkin seed, cocoa butter, mango butter, fractionated coconut oil, castor, almond, beeswax, bayberry wax, spruce sap, essential oils, and the last one I can't read, but I'll check it out. Even his balm's got a little wax on it, which is super cool. You got that, which has got the things in big writing. Tocopherol, I think that's what it's called. Oh, wow. That is different, man. Holy cow. And he has a little bit of stuff that sticks to it, but it comes right off of the balm. Feels like a little bit of natural glue or something like that. Not sure exactly what it is, but you're fine. It's not going to hurt you. Oh my goodness. Alright. Not going to... That, I want to... Well, maybe I should do that. Oh. Breaking the wax off. Alright, there we go. And I'm going to shake it up. Ooh, wow. Okay. Let me get the topper that's in here. can see it kind of bows so it gets into the front of there. I think that is intentional. And then we're gonna rub this in my hands and give it a smell. Let me clean my hands real quick. And I'm not gonna go into all of these individual samples. I'll kind of let you guys know what's in here, but I'm not going to open them all. I want to try this though. Just waiting for this to bring the oil up. All right, we'll figure it out another time. I'll just put a little bit in my hand. Oh, that smells amazing. It is like a sweet, like exotic, complex cologne. That is nice. And his oils are fast absorbing. You guys will not get any grease or residue from his oils or his balms. They work very, very well. Just hoping I can get this to go. There we go. Now I got it. A little bit more in here. All right. Yes, that is awesome. I cannot wait to get that in beard. I have his oud wood, and that smells freaking amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff back in the box, so my cats again won't get to it. He's got this little thing to protect your oil from coming out accidentally. The wax, just go ahead and toss out when you're done. It actually came off relatively easily. I'm not the smoothest when it comes to getting that stuff off, but yeah, definitely really great presentation, really awesome. Check him out. All right, so let's see what else we got in here. There's a lot going on here. So I have vanilla tobacco. These look like 1 use to 2 uses for me. Frankincense and myrrh. All right, I have patchouli and cedarwood. I have oud witch, which I have already, which is awesome. So that Lucky Viking. Holy freaking smokes. All right, I have Toli Italiano. I have Imperial Myrrh, which he says is amazing. Royal Oud, nice. That seems to be a favorite from a lot of dudes. This is Dark Side. This is a brand new one. All right. Moroccan Wood, which I believe Beard Talks with, I can't remember, Vanilla Tobacco, Vanilla Supreme. Cool. Holy cow. Italian Leather, nice. Let's see, what else here? Moroccan Wood. Label on that's on, but I'll be able to tell what it is once I try it. Irish Spring, awesome. Apricot and Peach, this is one I've been dying to try since Dan C's review. London, another brand new one, yes. Spice and Wood. Summer 2020, another brand new one. Nice, guys. We'll be able to try some of these new ones, and I'll let you know. Decadence, which is another one of his special on things, and Vivitor grease. The bag smells like a whole bunch of different awesomeness, so that is super cool. Very excited to give these a go. Thank you, Alex, for sending these out. This is so awesome. I appreciate it for throwing in these samples with my order of the combo. Just so you guys know, is the price worth it? Yes. From trying that Oud Wood, it helped me make my decision. And thank you, Andrew Carlisle, for sending that out for me to purchase this Legatus. And my hands smell like incredible mixture of all sorts of things right now. Check out Nicholas Beardworks. His presentation is awesome. Wax dip bottles, skulls. He has wooden boxes that are perfect for a gift for a loved one. Ladies, if you're watching this, pick up your husband, boyfriend, significant other, or if they are to you, some great beard products. Keep on rocking, and oh yeah.